So we've got this, which, look at that packaging, like from a UPS collection point, you know, when you see that and you're like, great, so that's just like already been opened, but you know, whatever. So let's open this up. So this is the Zeus Mini, kind of brand new light system that I really wanted to try out. Like it says it's, let me just open this up. I always love GoPro's packaging, like it's super neat. So this is, yeah, it's waterproof, as you can see, rechargeable, 360 rotation, but the main thing is the fact that it's waterproof up to 10 meters, the light itself, which is pretty cool. So hopefully you can get some deep sea kind of diving shots. It's good for me because I like to do my co-steering and my cliff jumping and stuff. I think it might add something a bit more. And also for work, like the fact that it's on a clip, it can just slip onto like my pocket of my coat or something when I'm at work, or you know, low light situations, because we're doing lots of night shoots and stuff. Just looked like a really nifty bit of kit, so I want to try it out. So yeah, here you go. Here's the box, and yeah, we've got kind of, it says it's waterproof for up to 10 meters deep, rechargeable, 360 rotation, which can be really nifty. But yeah, mainly I'm kind of interested in the waterproof aspect because I want to take it kind of like underwater and diving, cliff jumping and stuff, and just to see if we can get any sort of light source when we're underwater. Would be really sick. It's on the back here. So yeah, actually they've even given a, that's the other thing that I want to use when I'm at work, which is kind of more, it's a strap-on light, so it can either attach to my pocket or my bag, so completely hands-free when it's on a night shoot or something, so I can get that extra bit of light. But I'm really interested to see how actually powerful it is, and I'm not sure what that is, but it seems to be connected in a different way. Yeah, okay, let's have a look. This was £60, I think, so it's quite expensive for this sort of size light. I've got lots of like head torches and stuff, but I don't know, I don't like the fact that it's literally attached to my head. I'd rather have it kind of maintained on something else, like my clothes or something. So let's open this up. Okay. To kind of wear it like that, you know what I mean? Like maybe even on, not on a t-shirt obviously, but on like a pocket like that, you know what I mean? So then the light's sitting on there, so it works nice and neatly. So we've got this here. That's the actual light piece itself, if you can see that. It looks pretty neat. Again, it feels really good quality, which is nice. There's another mount here. Quite interestingly packaged. This says the cable, and there is the other piece. So that's just that done now. Nice and neat. The piece is there on the piece of paper, because I could realise I was literally doing black on black, which wasn't very helpful. Okay, so look, here we go. There's all sorts of different ways it's telling me about how to actually put this together. So you've got you can have it completely swiveled up here, in on itself, or on top. So that's what it's like in his pocket. Or stick it with the kind of sticky mounts I've never liked. So right, here we go. I've got the pieces now. So we're going to put this together nice and simply. So essentially, you take the clip, which is here, slide that on like this with the GoPro slider there. Nice and click, fold that down, and then you're basically quickly just going to take this piece here, which slides nicely onto there, nice and flush, and locks in place. There. Put it on there like that, and use this kind of trick that they always do with GoPro. Screw that in. Nice. There you go. There's the light. Then it's on. First setting, second setting, and third setting, and also a strobe, and then it's hold to turn it off. Nice, but also, yeah, this is completely 360, so this spins fully like that, right round, so you can go at different angles and stuff. I'm just going to give a couple of demonstrations here of how I would use it, kind of what I'm doing for work. Essentially, you could clip it on like that, you see what I mean? You could already be swiveling it, and it would light up this. You know, it's going to be really neat and nifty for all sorts of kind of round the house sort of stuff. You know, anytime, you know, if there was a cupboard, anything like that, it's going to be wicked for that sort of stuff. Like that, you see what I mean? Just very nifty. I don't think there's many things on the market. I've got this black diamond head torch. It just doesn't really work to the standard that I would want it to, and it hasn't got. I think the clip feature is just really the main difference, as well as the quality of the light, obviously. Oh, and it also comes with this diffuser as well, which might be quite nice, which neatly snugs in there. So yeah, let's light test. So that's setting 1, setting 2, setting 3. So you can see that's super bright, and that's with the diffuser. We pop the diffuser up. So the pros of this light really are kind of the capacity of light that it has is really strong, especially at that 125 lumen capacity. The 360 swivel and clip, the clip is really good. I've used it for a few days now, and it's really tight. It can fit on loads of different things, and the fact that it's quite big, it can fit onto kind of larger surfaces and tables and stuff. It being waterproof is, again, as I said, the main feature for me, that it can actually go and you can take it underwater. I think it's to a capacity of about like 5-10 meters, which you shouldn't ever need to exceed that. The fact that it's rechargeable makes it completely, usable at all times. Really, you can charge it with a power bank as well, and you can attach it to other GoPro accessories, which is really nice. On the flip side, it is a little bit steep in price. It's like £65, I think. I'm not sure what that is in dollars. Probably similar. It is a bit heavier than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a bit more lightweight. And obviously it can only last for about an hour if you're using it on 125 lumens, which is a little bit poor, but again, that is really light. Overall, I think it's a good bit of kit. I think it is a bit steep in price. I think it'd be more suited to something about £40, but overall I'd give it an 8 out of 10 because I really do like the nifty kind of design, and I know I'm going to use it loads for work and for filming and stuff. So yeah, I'd give it a solid 8 out of 10. But yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys. Yeah, leave a comment, see if you've bought one, and let me know what you've been using it for. Appreciate it. Bye bye.